Hi, I'm Seng. So today I'll show you inventory conversion in FeedMe. Inventory convert means that, for example, today I use the Boba Milk Tea as an example. In order to create this Boba Milk Tea, you need to have the tea leaf, you need to have the hot water and the milk to cook together and convert this raw ingredient into the ingredient which is the hot milk tea, and end up you mix with the boba, then become the Boba Milk Tea. So this process we call convert. Thank you. For this inventory conversion, I use bubble milk tea, or also known as Boba Milk Tea, as an example. First, in order to prepare the Boba Milk Tea, we need to cook the milk tea and the boba. So 1 cup of the bubble milk tea needs 50 grams of boba, and 1.2 liter or 1 jug of the milk tea can make 12 cups of bubble milk tea. And in order to make a 1.2 liter or 1 jug of the hot milk tea, it needs 100 grams of tea leaf, 1 liter of hot water, 200 ml of milk. So in here, we need to create the 4 ingredients, which is the tea leaf, hot water, milk and bubble. So first, log into a FeedMe portal, then go to menu, then click on unit. First, you need to create on the gram first. So I name it in gram, symbol G, precision I put 1. Then click add measurement with the kg, symbol of kg, and the conversion is 1000, which means that 1 kg equal to 1000 gram. Then same goes to the ml, so I name as ml with the symbol and precision 1, and I click add measurement, which is a liter, which is a symbol of L, and conversion of 1000, which is 1 liter equal to 1000 ml. Then just click update. Then same goes to the cup. The reason why is because 1 jug of milk tea can make 12 cup of bubble milk tea. So in here, I click a cup because of smaller units. I put a symbol cup, precision 1, and 1 jug with the conversion of 12, which is 1 jug equal to 12 cups. Then in the ingredient, I create for the tea leaf, which is under the unit of gram, not kg. Always choose to the smallest unit. For example, using ml or gram. Then create for the hot water, which is ml, and then the milk for the ml also. For the boba, using the gram, mix together and can become a hot milk tea. So this one, you need to turn on the convertible and choose with the cup. So recipe ingredient will convert into 1 jug, which means that you need to link these 3 ingredients, the tea leaf, hot water and milk, then which consists of 100 grams of the tea leaf, 1000 ml of the hot water. You also can choose as liter, but in here I use ml. And for the milk, I choose 200 ml also, and it's follow to the recipe as well. Then after that, just click update. Then go to your selling product, go to the main, go to the bubble milk tea. So from here, you need to link the recipe. Click here. First is link your hot milk tea, which means that when you sell the 1 cup of the bubble milk tea, you deduct 1 cup and 50 grams of the boba. And it's linked like this. Don't link these 3 because this is considered a raw material, and this is an ingredient, and this is also an ingredient. After that, just click submit and click update. Then go to publish and click publish. After that, go to your post system, go to inventory. So in here, if you want to add a stock, click adjust and select the stock to add. If you want to add it, just click purchase. Let's say I want to add for the 200 grams, or add a hot water for 1 liter, or add the milk for 400 ml. After that, just click save. So in order to add the stock of the hot milk tea, click convert and click on hot milk tea. So here, the maximum jug that you can convert is based on your raw material. Click here and select extra 1 jug that can sell. After that, just click convert. So in here, it will show that the tea leaf will minus 100 grams, which is minus from here, and the hot water minus 1 liter, and the milk will minus for 200 ml. Then the hot milk tea will add 1 jug. After that, just click convert. Now you are available to sell for 24 cups. If you go to the system, when taking order, it shows that bubble tea are available for sell 20 cups. This is because it also affected by the boba also, which is here. the boba. If I added the boba, save, then it can sell more. That's all for today. Thank you.
So, cari post system, cari Aseng.
Find hidden post, find
Cari
Aseng.
post system,
找 post system, 找 Seng.